Do you love frivolous, bitchy celebrity chat shows that thrive on pitching one person against the other one? Do you love gushing after baby pictures of celebrities and turning them into stars when all they should have is a simple childhood? Do you think it is natural for famous kids or famous parents to debut in famous producer-backed movies as though it is their birthright to do so? If you think all of this is normal, then I'm afraid that you are also the person who normalizes and propagates unprofessionalism and nepotism in the Hindi film industry. So hashtag boycott Bollywood can wait. Here is a simple way to understand nepotism in the Hindi film industry. Should the art of filmmaking become a family heirloom? Shouldn't everyone have a fair chance at this profession? Nepotism eases the passage of celebrity kids into an industry, into a cutthroat industry without experiencing even a fraction of the struggles that outsiders do. Their debuts are arranged. They even have a second movie sometimes before the first one even releases. They have connection, they have exposure. They're comfortable in the industry because they know everybody else and they know how to talk to the media. Anybody from outside the industry would have to learn all of this by himself or herself without help and with intense rivalry, intense humiliation and repeated rejections along the way. Of course, the discussion about nepotism has been triggered by the untimely death of Sushant Singh Rajput, the rising star. We don't want to assume anything about why he killed himself. He had clinical depression, which is a disease, but it is fueled by an uncaring atmosphere. It is also fueled by an extremely unprofessional atmosphere. Celebrity kids do not experience much of this, at least within the industry, because they are part of the Khandan, literally. Yes, they are trolled mercilessly on social media, but then they don't think much of bullying others on cozy public settings either. Now, we are not blaming Sushant Singh Rajput's death on anyone in particular, but the overall culture that is propagated by the Hindi film industry. It is time that they took a harder look at themselves and reformed. Bollywood is not a professional industry. Although things are changing, it is time now to address this concern seriously. Gully Boy actor Siddhant Chaturvedi's famous reply to a star kid was, "जहां इनके struggles शुरू होते हैं, वहां हमारे सपने पूरे होते हैं." He was talking about simply landing a role in a movie, in their first movie for outsiders. If you think we're being unfair to star kids, let Siddhant Chaturvedi's words really sink in. He sums it up well. And for those of you who say that nepotism is not a problem that's restricted to Bollywood only, you're right. Nepotism, pulling strings, connections work for so many people in so many other professions. But in some places it becomes entrenched and institutionalized, such that the industry becomes a group of people that is literally related to each other. And that should not happen. Wherever nepotism exists, challenge it, expose it. Ignoring nepotism in one place because it exists everywhere is not a solution to the problem. Anywhere is a good place to start. But what makes the film industry one of the places we really want this change to begin in, or at least one of the places where the change should start, is because if you have the privilege of being famous and therefore visible and therefore influential, it is your duty to become the torch bearers of change.